I'm going Dixon, we're in trench 3. It's the 23rd of June, it's the Thursday. We are at the north end of trench 3 at the moment, and we've been investigating a potential pit up at this end. You see this half circle shape of stones in front of me? These stones did spread in a circle around here, and we've just half sectioned it out. These stones look like they're the same material as the bedrock, and they were just sat in this sort of circular assemblage. We wanted to investigate whether they were sat in the fill of a pit or just a scatter on the surface. So we did a half section, and it looks like we've got a small pit here. The pit has been quite difficult to determine its edges for. This material has been excavated, it's been dug into an archaeological context, and I believe what's happened is the material that's been deposited back in has come from the material that was removed in the first place. So we're looking for a fill that's made up of the same stuff as the edges. However, we can determine our edges somewhat. Around here it's relatively compact and consolidated, whereas in the middle it's a lot looser. It comes up a lot easier, and it's kind of mixed as well. There's a couple of patches of sand and a couple of clay lumps in there, which I believe has come as a result of redepositing the fill back in. This is where we found a piece of Samian ware, about this big, lovely decoration on one side. There's also been an iron hook, or a hooked shape piece of iron I should say, that's come out of here, slightly just below the Samian ware. Obviously Samian ware is very much associated with the Romans. We may have a pit that's been dug down deep enough that it's hit the Roman context, material's been redeposited, that's why we're seeing Roman material in here. This pit has been excavated down originally through a 9th or 8th century deposit. Obviously Samian ware is very good quality, it survives for a very long time. So there's a possibility that as we go further down we may find more Roman stuff that's just been churned up from the context below, or that it was just in use for quite a long time. Eventually that piece broke and then it was deposited in this pit as a dumping event.